how to use Google Translator in Facebook Messenger. So the first step is to open your Facebook Messenger right away. So I'll open my Facebook Messenger. So when you open your Facebook Messenger, just come to a random chat. So let me assume I'm chatting with this person. As you can see, the person sent me this message. So to use the Google Translator, as you can see, when you come to your keyboard, you can see this option over here. Okay, this option represents a translator. Depending on the keyboard you're using and depending on the Android device you're using, you must be having this option. So I'll open the Google Translator. Okay, so as you can see, the first language is the language you're typing in. Then the second language is the language that your text is going to turn into. So this means I'll turn from English to traditional Chinese. I can even choose another language of my choice. So just tap on it, and as you can see, there are many languages. So I'll choose Arabic for this time. Okay, so now I can come here and I type any text. I'll type hey. So when I type hey, it will be translated into Arabic, as you can see, and I can send it to this person just like that. Okay, so that's how to use Google Translator in Facebook Messenger. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.